Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the RoboCop Rogue City game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page after logging in, you can simply click on the search box and now type in RoboCop Rogue City to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you will have the option to use either your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After choosing your method, enter the credentials followed by your billing information. Then as soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. Now you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you can start enjoying the RoboCop Rogue City game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install RoboCop Rogue City game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.